Want to renew your items online? You can do this through our catalog on the library website. To get there, go to the library website at www.trumbull-ct.gov/library and click on the button that says Catalog. From there, look for the menu in red at the top right. Click on the link that says Login. Enter the 14-digit number from your library card's barcode, then enter your PIN, which by default is the last 4 digits of the phone number that we have on file for you. Then click the gray Login button. Now you'll see your name in that red menu at the top. Click on My Account. To see a list of books or other items that you have, click on the Checkouts tab. In this example, I have 3 books checked out. I also see the due date for each and the number of times they have already been renewed, which is 0. If a book has an exclamation point in a red circle next to it, that means it's overdue. To renew a book, you can click Select All, or you can just click the box next to the book that you want to renew. In this case, I'll select How to Cook Everything, then click the gray Renew button. Now you can see that for this book, the due date has changed, and the number of times renewed has changed from 0 to 1. There's also a message in green saying Checkout Successfully Renewed. But sometimes you aren't able to renew a book. To show this, I'll use The Joy of Cooking. Again, I'll check the box next to that book and click the gray Renew button. And here I get a red message saying this item cannot be renewed. It doesn't give a reason, but when you can't renew an item, it's usually for one of 2 reasons. One possibility is that you've reached the limit for the number of times that you can keep renewing something. Since it still says the book has been renewed 0 times, we know that's not the case. So the other possibility is that another library patron has placed a hold request on this book, which prevents it from being renewed. So in this case, you would need to return the book by the due date to avoid owing any fines. But what about the book that's already overdue? The Bust of America's Test Kitchen. I can still renew that as long as I haven't reached the renewal limit and as long as there are no other hold requests for it. And you can see that the due date has changed. Now this won't erase the fines that you already have, but it will prevent you from accruing any further fines until you get a chance to return it. If you have any trouble renewing your items online, you can always call us at the library or stop by in person and we can take care of it for you then.